Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking some of these clearance clothing items that I got about almost 2 months ago now. It was after the 4th of July. A lot of these these shirts were 90% off at Walmart, and there's some really nice different styles. There's unicorns, there's some baseball shirts, and a lot of these were about 59 cents. So I just couldn't pass that up for the shoe boxes. And I've been meaning to, for a while, make these into some sort of filler pack to go to the processing center. But I also wanted to do more than just a shirt. I wanted to add some sort of toy or just some sort of school supplies into the pack. So I have everything that I need to start today. So we are going to try to pack, oh, I don't know, there's probably at least 20 different shirts here, and they're all different styles. So the packs will each look a little bit different. And I'm going to get these out of my closet and then we can start packing. So if you're newer to Operation Christmas Child, you might not know what it means to send filler items. And basically, I just started doing this last year, but it is sending extra items outside of your own shoe boxes to go to the processing centers. And that way, these items can go into other boxes that might not be full or might have items removed that are prohibited, like food or liquids or war-related items. A little story to throw in here. Last year, I was volunteering at the processing center in Atlanta, and there were some boxes that came through that only had a couple toys in them. And I could tell that it was not something that was um, anyone's fault or anything. It looked like these boxes had been packed by a school. Some of them still had the letter that was sent home to the parents. So it seemed like the people filling the boxes just didn't quite understand um, to fill the boxes. So there was just a couple toys in several of them. And like I said, it still had the school letter in it. So when they came through, I did my best to just use the filler items that were at my table, but it can be a little bit of a challenge depending on what you have available. So sending school supplies, sending other little toys is one way you can help make sure that each shoebox coming through the line has quality items and it's full. And this year I'm actually sending more than I ever have. And it's just one other way that you can bless children beyond your own shoeboxes. So I'm going to start with these dinosaur shirts that I got, and they are size 8. And then this one outlier shirt here is a freedom shirt, but I'm going to include it with the dinosaur shirts. It says freedom to rock. And these I will label for a 5 to 9 boy. That way the packers at the processing center know what age box to put these in. So I'm going to take these downstairs and start with these, and I'll just do each design at a time. I have the Freedom ones and the Barbie ones and the Minnie Mouse, so I'll come get these as I go, and hopefully I can get through most of these today. So we'll see how it goes here. Here are the dinosaur items that will be going into my first packs. I am trying to fit it into a quart-sized bag, so that might be a little ambitious. I might need a gallon size by the end of this, but I had quite a bit of dinosaur items, so these will be a little more full, which is okay because you can send different size filler items, and some boxes only need a little bit of filler and others need some more. So it's okay to send different sizes. But these dinosaur ones, I'll quickly go over what's inside. I had several of these scratch art, and they come in different designs. These were left over from Valentine's Day. I also got these pretty inexpensively, and I'm including a scratch stick as well as these scratch art stars were from the 4th of July. So every box will be getting 2 stars, 3 to 4 dinosaur scratch arts, and then the little ribbon here is to hang up the stars. So that's a decent amount of scratch art just as a craft project. I also had these lenticular designs from Valentine's Day as well, and they change images as you move them. So each pack will be getting 4 of those. I had some dinosaur stickers to include, a dinosaur eraser from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also sending 3 pencils in each box or pack. And then they each will get a stencil, dinosaur stencil, and a dinosaur Play-Doh mold. These were actually from Wendy's when they had these for the kid meals. And to go with the Play-Doh mold, they'll each be getting 2 different cans of Play-Doh, a sharpener to go with the pencils, a dinosaur themed slap bracelet, the shirt, and then I took a little bag here. These are from Hobby Lobby. I got 4 of them. They came in a 4-pack, and I found these little iron-on decals from the Dollar Tree. They also were a 4-pack for $1.25. So I just ironed them onto the bags to add a little decoration. Inside I have these little dinosaurs. They were from the Dollar Tree. They were a 2-pack during Valentine's Day. So I found these about a month ago in a Dollar Tree while we were on vacation, and they still had some of these left over from Valentine's Day. So I got some little stuffed animals, and then I just included a little whistle recorder to be just a little extra fun. So I'm going to pack these up and see if I can get them to fit in my quart-size bags. And these will be my first filler packs ready to go. Here is a finished dinosaur pack. I ended up needing to put it into a gallon-size bag. I was a little too ambitious, but I actually like this better because I was able to also fit a full-size notebook, and then I included a coloring book. I got these little Happy Birthday Jesus coloring books from Hobby Lobby after Christmas. And then I also printed some dinosaur coloring pages off of sending shoeboxes on Facebook. So I just found these on the Files tab. Thank you, Annabeth, for those. And I also found this label off of sending shoeboxes, and since there is a shirt here, I wanted to put the specific size so that the packer knows that it's for a boy 5 to 9. My friend on YouTube, D. Rogers, she actually just posted a video about packing filler items, and she also has several creative ideas. So head over there as well to check out if you want to just see some different ideas for sending filler. And she had also used these labels. So thank you, Denise, for that idea. Instead of just writing on the bag with a Sharpie, this looks a lot nicer and is a little more clear for the packers. So this is my dinosaur pack. It is a larger pack and hopefully will be helpful for any boxes that come through that might just have 1 or 2 items in them. This will help fill that box up pretty nicely. I did add in some crayons as well, so that will be useful for the coloring books, and these packs will have some good school supplies in them. So here are my 4 larger boy dinosaur filler packs, and they are ready to go. I feel really good about these. They will hopefully help some boxes that need a little extra. And now I'm going to go get my next items to pack, and they should be a little bit smaller in size, not as much items inside, but this one took me a little while, so I think the rest should go a little bit quicker now. Our next shirts are going to be these Barbie ones, and at first I thought they looked a little boyish, but I decided I would keep them with the girl stuff since it does say Barbie. And I thought of some different items to add to spruce it up and make it a little more girly. So I have 8 of the Barbie shirts and they're size 4T. So I'll be putting these labeled as 2 to 4 girl. And I found just the past, I guess a week or two ago now, these Chelsea dolls were marked down in my clearance aisle at my Walmart for $1.50. So I picked up 8 of those. And then I also ordered on Amazon some extra Chelsea doll outfits since these are just swimsuits that the dolls have on. So each Chelsea doll will be getting an extra outfit or two. I'm also going to put in some jewelry in each box. And I got these little bracelets off of Temu. And I also ordered a whole bunch of bows off of Temu, and I have other styles coming for some of the other shirts, but I'm going to add 2 of these hair bows into each of the packs. And I'll also be adding a red comb into each filler pack. I've laid out everything that will be going into the bags. They each get 2 bows. They get a bracelet, the dress, which I'll probably put on the doll, and this one's coming with shoes. Some of them have sunglasses or other accessories, just depending on how I could lay it out. And then they each get a comb. So that will be the girl 2 to 4 Barbie packs that I'm putting together, and I'm going to do that now. I decided not to put the dresses on the dolls, just the way their hair was nicely banded. I didn't want to have to undo that, so it would arrive a little nicer. So I ended up just putting their shoes on and leaving the outfits separate. My Barbie filler is done, and I'm going to move on to the next items. But I only have a few hours to film while my kids are at my parents' house. So I'm trying to get these done quickly while I have a quiet house and time to just get it done. So I'm going to keep going on to the next filler pack. For my next packs, these will also be for girls age 2 to 4. These first 6 shirts here say Freedom, and each pack will get 2 of these festive bows, as well as a noisemaker. And then my Minnie Mouse shirts, which I think are adorable. There's also 6 of these, and each pack will also get a mini bow and some Minnie Mouse stickers. I'm printing out, as we speak, some Minnie Mouse and Friends coloring pages that I'm going to cut down to size. I got these off of OCC shoebox packers, so thank you to that group as well. And I'm planning to add some crayons, of course, to go with the coloring pages. So I'm going to start now. Once those papers finish printing, I can finish the Minnie Mouse, but I'm going to start these Freedom ones now. All right, so I have the Freedom packs done with the bows and the shirt and the little whistle recorder. And I have 6 of these Minnie Mouse packs done as well. And they have the crayons and the bow and stickers and coloring pages. So total I have 24, and I'm going to keep going. My last 2 packs are going to be unicorn and baseball. So for the unicorn shirts, I also have some of the matching hair bows. And I got some slap bracelets that are unicorns, as well as an array of different stickers. And at Walmart, I bought some of these little ponies or unicorns, and I'll be putting one of those in each pack. And I have several of these little red bears. They say love on them, and they have a little keychain top. So I'll be putting these in both of the packs. And then for the boys, I also have some baseball stickers, baseball slap bracelets, and I'll be putting in some light up yo-yos from Walmart. I'm also going to add in the rest of the scratch art into these packs as well, just as an extra little craft. So here are the unicorn packs. They turned out pretty cute, and I put the size of the shirt on the tag since some of them are a little bigger and some are for the middle-aged girls. And then the boys were all the older boys, so I filled up the baseball packs and put the little bears inside with the yo-yos and the scratch art on the back. And they have the fun stickers. Altogether, I did about 44 packs to send to the processing center. I have been wanting to get this done for a while now, so I was glad to be able to have a few hours to do it. And I'm glad I was able to squeeze it all in that time frame. So I have about 15 of the unicorn bags, 5 of the baseball bags, about 6 of the Minnie Mouse bags put together, 6 of these Freedom filler packs, and then what else? I have the Barbie bags and 4 of these larger boy dinosaur packs. When packing filler, it's a good idea to use bags that close securely. These are just regular Ziploc bags, and that way when they go to the processing center and they're put into the bigger bins and they get sorted and moved around quite a bit, so it just makes sure that the contents stay inside and don't spill out everywhere. So some sort of nice, durable, secure bag is always a good idea. This is the aftermath of packing 44 filler packs. So now I need to clean up. Thanks so much for watching today. This was a lot of work and I've been meaning to get to it for a month now, so it feels really good to have it done. And my closet now has a lot more space in it. So hopefully this was helpful to you to see just some ideas. You don't have to do anything too elaborate when making filler packs. Every little bit helps. I hope these are helpful to some boxes out there. Have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Thank you for all that you do for children around the world, and thanks for watching. Bye.